Right now, let me show you how you can search for stuff in Google Sheets on your iPad. So first of all, we need to open up the application itself. And the first way you can search is right inside of the app. Once you don't even have any document open, you can click on the search and at the top and type in something to look up the name of the document, right? So that's the first way to search. As you can see, I was able to find monthly budget of mine, so I'm going to click on it to get inside. And in order to actually search within in here, what you have to do is to click on the three dots in at the top right, like that, and then click on the button which says Find and Replace. So that's what you need to tap on like this, and it's going to essentially start the searching process with the search bar, and you can type in the specific phrase which you are looking for. And as you can see, it had found this exactly in here, and you can also go back and forth if you also have multiple different matches. So this makes it very useful, right? And obviously, since this is find and replace, you can also replace it with something if you type it in the other area, other text field, but you don't even have to do that. If it's okay for you to just find the stuff, you can use the find feature and completely skip on the replacing part. So that's it for me. Let me know in the comments below if it worked for you the same way. Hit the thumbs up if it did, subscribe for more, and I'll see you later.